In this short video, I'm going to show you how Amazon lockers work, so you have a safer delivery option instead of receiving packages at your home. When you get an order delivered to an Amazon locker, it helps prevent your package from being stolen right from your front door. It's a super convenient and secure way to receive your items, especially if you're not home during the day or live in an area where package theft is common. To use this service, all you have to do is select Amazon Locker Delivery when you place your order. You'll see a list of locker locations near you, and each locker has a unique name to make it easy to find. Once your package arrives, you'll receive an email notification with all the details you need to pick it up. When it's time to get your package, just head over to the designated locker. For example, the one I chose is named Katie. At the locker, use the touchscreen and enter the access code that Amazon sent you in the confirmation email. As soon as you enter the code, one of the compartment doors will automatically open and your package will be right there waiting for you. That's all there is to it. One of the best things about Amazon lockers is that many of them are accessible 24/7, so you don't have to worry about picking up your package within a certain time frame. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos.